Hello. Today we are going to Sikkim. So, packed up and ready. Hello Lyadkhors, and welcome to a whole new series on my favorite state, Sikkim. This was a short trip to chill with my 3 friends to get away from the stress at our professional work life. सिक्किम के हवाओं में कुछ अलग ही बात है. यहाँ का लोग, यहाँ का कल्चर बहुत ही पीसफुल वाइब्स देते हैं. Gangtok was also my first doorway to mountains when I was a child. Since then, I have been here 4 times, and each time it gave me beautiful memories that I will cherish for the rest of my life. तो वही चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज के याद करते हुए हम चल पड़े थोड़ा चिल करने टुवर्ड्स गैंगटॉक.